Hi, I'm Krista with WTI. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite bite-sized treats that is the perfect blend of sweet and spicy. It is the Prince of Peace Ginger Chew. Now, this particular candy is a ginger chew that has a blend of tropical lychee fruit. This is really just a unique flavor that is delicious and that is the perfect size to pop right into your mouth and savor the flavor for a while as it softens and melts down. I love enjoying a sweet treat without all the guilt. And the fact that this only has 15 calories per candy and I can count and pronounce all the ingredients on the bag, it makes it even better. These candies are individually wrapped, which makes them really great for just popping some in your purse and having them on the go. But I've also learned that I really like them chopped up and thrown into my little cup of hot tea. And as they melt down, they give a really awesome gingery twist to my drink. So if you like that sweet and spicy blend, you're going to love these Prince of Peace ginger chews with tropical lychee. And that's my point of view.